Hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market and analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that overall gold seems to be weak right now. So if you have any buy position right now as a swing trader, then yes, you need to be careful, because if market breaks this particular low here, then we can expect further downside. Yes, I'm talking about swing traders here, those who prefer to hold positions for couple of days to couple of weeks. But if you're a positional trader, if you prefer to hold position on gold for months and years, then obviously every buy is a dip opportunity for you. And if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to stick to the current trend of the market, or you need to stick to the levels. So my dear friends, right now we can see that after this downside on the chart of gold, okay, gold is trying to recover. Gold seems to be in a range right now. So is this a sideways market? Technically, no. This is not a sideways market. We can say that after this big fall, this is a consolidation, because this is how volatility works in trading. Market always move from high volatility to low volatility to high volatility. So here right now market is in consolidation phase right now. So we can expect that there will be action today or by tomorrow. Okay, so where are the trading opportunities then? So my dear friends, as you can see right now, gold is facing resistance around 4352 to 55. The red line that you see here is acting as a temporary resistance. So obviously during the day market will try to break it. So if the consolidation continues for 1 hour or 2 hours more, then we can expect a breakout, because for any breakout, consolidation plays a critical role. So after the breakout, okay, you can enter again, where you can enter at pullback. So it depends on you right now. For example, see, right, I am making the video in the Asian session. Right now we do not have much volume. So during the European session, if volume comes and market breaks with a big green candle, then we can buy at breakout. But if you are looking for a safe entry, if you are not confident about the breakouts, because false breakouts are also a reality, in that case you can buy at pullback. Means when the same level 435 to 4355 will become the new support, you can buy at pullback. It will be a safer entry. And if market crosses it, okay, then we can expect a little bit recovery on the chart of gold, and we can expect gold to head towards 4400 at first, and then 442530, the black line that you see here, or technically this is the next resistance on the chart of gold. So the next up move of gold is going to be very important. Let's see whether gold succeeds in breaking the level or not. देखते हैं क्या होता है. Okay, whether it's a breakout, false breakout or not. Okay. Anyways, buying at pullback is safer. Keep in mind. In case market comes down, then you can see here, this is the next support on the chart of gold, 426875. Okay, this is the next support on the chart of gold, and if market remains like this, then we can expect market to take support and bounce back. If it does, we can look for a buy position. So this is our buy opportunity. But in case volume remains dry, volume remains low, we can also look for a minor bounce around 4300. Technically we do not have much around 4300, but if volume is low and 4300 being a round number psychological support, it may give us 1 or 2 green candles. If it does, we can look for a buy position there as well. For better understanding, you can also switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes. See here, if market takes support and goes up, we can look for buy around 4295, 4300. Okay, and in case market breaks it, obviously leave it and wait for the second support to come into the action. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now, as after the downtrend market is trading in a range. In a low volume market, we can look for a buy position here. Okay, if market breaks it, this is our second buying opportunity around 426 at 4275. And if US session brings high selling pressure again, then we can look for a sell below 4267, 4268. Keep in mind, for a proper breakdown, we need a consolidation. Right now, okay, we don't see anything. If anything comes up, I will update in the group as well. But as of now, I feel that market will bounce and market will stay in a range because there was a big fall. There's also a high chance of market going up from here, so we can look for a buy above 4355, 4352, this particular level here. In case market shows us that okay, breakout has come but volume is low, then it will be better for us to avoid the breakout and buy at pullback. So it all depends on the volume and size of the candle. So look at the size of the candle and take the decision. And again, repeating, if you're not in a position to take any risk, okay, then wait for the pullback. Do not buy at breakout. Okay, and if market goes up, we may see a temporary recovery on the chart of gold, and the next resistance will be around 4425, 4430, because the previous because the previous support will be working as resistance. But before this, we also have a psychological resistance around 4400. Do not forget. Okay, so let's wait and watch. If we look at the economic calendar, we do not have anything important, but still US session may bring volatility, because market always move from high volatility to lower volatility, lower volatility to higher volatility. So here market was extremely volatile. Now market is in low volatile mode. Obviously, okay, market will be volatile again. Okay, so follow that direction. Let's wait and watch. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.